Hey there, everybody, and welcome back to the InvestTalk YouTube Market Wrap-Up. I'm Luke Guerrero, and today is Monday, May 5th, 2025. Hope you all enjoyed your weekend, but let's dive into the market, how it opened this week. U.S. stocks were a bit lower Monday. They did try to bounce off of those session lows midway through the day, but didn't quite make it. S&P 500 down 64 basis points, Dow down 24 basis points, NASDAQ down 74, Russell 2000 down 82 basis points. Big underperformers today, energy on the back of the price of oil falling, entertainment names with a new tariff threat, telecoms, and industrial metals. Outperformers, on the other hand, included apparel names, airlines, managed care, and building products. The Dow was down 20 basis points on the day. Gold finished up 2.4%. Crude oil finished down about 2% at 1.9% on the back of some of that news out of OPEC. But overall, pretty quiet trading session. You look at the VIX, it's now back near the pre-Liberation Day levels. But looking ahead for the coming weeks, you really have very limited catalysts. Key earnings mostly hashed out for the week, a little bit of a lull on the tariff front, but certainly we can get new news pretty quickly any day whatsoever. And what you saw today was really a little bit of a rotation towards the defensive, coming off of a couple sessions, 9 sessions of positivity, something you haven't seen, a dynamic you haven't seen since 2004. Now, OPEC Plus output set to increase in a decision that was announced over the weekend, I believe. So oil headed lower again today, a trend certainly of the recent past. And on the tariff side, Trump suggested he would lower tariffs on China at some point, though noting that he doesn't have any plans in the near term to speak with Chinese President Xi. On the macro front, April ISM services above estimates, the highest level since February 24th. New orders accelerated, the highest level they've had year to date. But prices index higher yet again, sitting at its highest level since January 2023. And the employment index in contraction territory for the second straight month. Looking ahead to next week, looks like Tuesday brings the balance of trade for March. Wednesday brings FOMC. Of course, Powell expected to continue to highlight the risks that the tariffs from the administration pose and likely keep rates steady. And Q1 productivity and labor costs, as well as initial claims and New York Fed inflation expectations out on Thursday. Thanks for joining us and starting your week off here with InvestTalk. We'll see you back here tomorrow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications on.